Hello, Tansei, Bonjour. Fringed sagebrush, prairie sagewort, scientific name Artemisia frigida. While named fringed sagebrush and known by many names such as prairie sagewort, this plant is not related to the sage species, Salvia. Growing to a height of 4 to 14 inches and spreading out 6 to 12 inches, this plant can be found all across North America. It is drought hardy and often prefers poor, dry soil. Most distinguishing for this plant is its silver gray and finely divided, feather like leaves. It grows small yellow flowers for 2 weeks during the summer. As it ages, the bottoms of this plant become wood-like and tough. It also smells strongly of turpentine or camphor after a rain. This plant spreads through both seeds and layering. This is how strawberry plants spread. This plant was used by the Cree to help with headaches, while the Blackfoot tribes would chew the leaves to help alleviate heartburn. The Blackfoot tribes also use the leaves on wounds to reduce swelling, as well as stuffing leaves into noses to stop nosebleeds. One other use of this plant by the Blackfoot was to boil the leaves and drink the tea to help with mountain fever. This affliction is a bacterial infection caused by being bitten by infected ticks. The symptoms included fever, nausea, vomiting, headache, and muscle pain before slowly developing into a rash, joint pain, and conjunctivitis. Scientists found that this plant contains thujone, the same compound found in absinthe, and may be responsible for some of the medicinal effects. However, in large doses, this extract can be dangerous if not deadly to humans, especially those who consume copious amounts of alcohol. One of the most important aspects of this plant is that it is cover and food for many animals. The sage grouse relies heavily on this plant's foliage and flower clusters as their diet. The twigs, as well as leaves and flower clusters, also make up the primary food for antelope, mule deer, elk, white-tailed rabbits, and range cattle. Most importantly, this plant attracts bees. This plant is an important part of the prairie ecosystem. While it not only provides food and shelter for many prairie animals, it also helps with the erosion of topsoil. This is due to its clumped like structure, which helps to stabilize the soil. Any information in this video is only meant to be educational, as we do not know what sprays are used in this area. We do not suggest consuming any leaves or barks in the plants of the park.